Hello everyone. Hello friends. Come hang out with me as we make a quick, easy dinner. We're gonna make some chicken quesadillas. I haven't done quesadillas in a long time, but it's one of those days where it's like 5 o'clock and you're like, what do I make for dinner? So I would love to ask, do you actually know what you make for dinner every night? Do you plan ahead, or maybe sometimes you plan ahead and sometimes you're kind of like on the fly? Like, what kind of dinner person are you? Is dinner planned a week out? Are you opening your fridge at 4 o'clock and you're like, I don't know what to make, right? So I have my days. I have days where I know exactly what I'm gonna make, and I have days where I'm like, open the fridge and talk to me. I think it's actually one of my strengths to open the fridge and open my pantry and figure out what to cook. I could probably come to your house and figure it out too, especially if you have some pasta. But we are going to use our leftover chicken that we grilled. I grilled yesterday on the Deluxe Grill and Griddle. Okay, so let me know which kind of person you are. Put it in the comments. But I just pulled out these grill plates from the dishwasher. They go in the dishwasher. We just used this yesterday. To grill the chicken. So from the dishwasher, it goes right back in here. And we're going to use it again today. And we're just going to hit the grill setting right here and let that preheat, okay? What I love about quesadillas, and I'm sure I'm totally butchering this, I'm not good at Mexican food or anything like that. I'm just doing it my way, okay? I'm looking at it as a tortilla with chicken and whatever you want to put in it, but it's something easy that your kids might like, right? And then your family can top it with whatever you want, or you can literally open your fridge and put ham and cheese on it. You can put eggs in it, right? But you can make these awesome quesadillas filled with whatever you want in our Deluxe Grill and Griddle. So let me know what you guys are doing tonight. Hello Silke, thanks for popping in. Hi Becky, hi Brittany, hi Teresa, thanks for popping in. So what I'm doing here is I grilled. So that's maybe another tip if anybody use some time-saving tips, right? If you're already cooking chicken, I call it chicken, power cooking chicken. If you're already cooking chicken for a recipe, if you're already cooking ground beef for a recipe, if you're already cooking ground turkey or whatever, right? Whatever protein you're cooking, cook a little bit more so you have some for the week, right? So yesterday I took a whole family pack of chicken breast and I grilled some for dinner last night, and I used the rest tonight, and I probably won't even use all of it. And tomorrow maybe I'll make some chicken salad for lunch. I'll put the rest on my salad as well. So I'm using the salad choppers right here. Let me show you what these look like. So they have like 2 blades right here, and they have like a little scoop, okay? So they're called salad choppers. I think they should be called everything choppers, and I'm just gonna give my chicken here a rough chop. And the reason I like to chop up my chicken, I'm a weird person and I may be alone, but if chicken tastes too chickeny, I'm not eating it, okay? So if I'm biting it and it's like gummy-ish texture, or if I taste too much chicken, I always over-season my chicken. I season the crap out of my chicken, okay? Because I do not like bland chicken, and I don't like when chicken tastes too chickeny. Okay, anybody else have weird chicken issues out there? Where did you get those cutters? Yeah, so you can go to the link tree in my bio. All the products I use are Pampered Chef products. Just click on the link tree in my profile. It has a shop now button, and these are called salad choppers as well. So you can always go there, or you can send me a message and I can send you the link directly as well. Okay, so this is preheating. So I got some chicken. I have some spinach. So here's a little tip is, when you buy your spinach, get it out of those plastic bags, like unless you eat it the next day. But I always, I use spinach in my smoothie every single day. It's a quick, easy way for me to add some vegetables. And I always put a paper towel on the bottom, metal bowl, glass bowl, whatever. And then I like to use these glass bowl because I find these stretch lids very satisfying. So, right, but make sure you do that, because then your spinach will stay better for a longer time, and you can always exchange the paper towel. Sometimes I put one on top, sometimes I put one on the bottom, whatever. So we got chicken, we got spinach. I thought I had beans, but I'm out of beans. I got some pre-made salsa, okay? You can make your own, it's all cool. But I already had some in the fridge, and then we're gonna shred some cheese while this heats up, and then we're gonna assemble, cheese grater right here. Then we're gonna assemble this and dinner is done with an easy salad, okay? So as you guys know, what do I always say? I'm on a mission to show people that dinner does not have to be complicated, and dinner can be done in 30 minutes or less, and it doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg, okay? That's what I'm here for. Can I make complicated dinners? Absolutely. I can make homemade pasta, I can make homemade lasagna, I can make homemade pizza dough, all those things, but sometimes, you know, I ain't got time for anything else, all right? So as always, you want to grate your own cheese. So I'm going to grate this little piece of cheddar that I have. Always grate it. So much cheaper to just grate your own cheese. So let's see. I don't like the grizzle. Yeah, right? Okay, so see, I'm not the only weird person with chicken. Like, it better be seasoned, and it better not taste like chicken, and it better be thinly sliced, all those things, right? Look at that. Look at this little block of cheese, how much you get out of it. That food looks good. Thanks, appreciate it. You know, just a busy mom trying to get dinner on the table over here tonight. Let's see. Hello, everybody. Thanks for popping in. All right, so look at that little bit of cheese. Always grate your own cheese, guys. Always. I mean, my newest hack that's going crazy is make your own cheese sticks, right? I just went to the store the other morning. It was $6 for 8 ounces of cheese sticks, and it was $2 for 8 ounces of a block of cheese, okay? With the little crinkle cutter. If you want the video on how to make your own cheese sticks, send me a message or comment below, and I'll show it to you. Super simple. Okay, so look at this. All right, guys, this was like half a block of cheese. Look at how much cheese I got out of this, okay? Way, way cheaper to shred your own cheese. So here you go. See that? Okay, you got a little pieces there for you to taste test. All right, so hot enough. This is how I know. I'm just gonna touch it and see, okay? So you take this is not rocket science, but you know, sometimes I think simple dinners are simple for me, but you know, depending on your cooking skills, maybe you just needed a different idea. So put your quesadilla, your tortilla, whatever. Let me get like a spoon or something. Tongs maybe? Let's do some tongs. Okay, so I put your chicken in there, right? No, my kids, well, my son will eat whatever I put in there. Gigi will probably just eat chicken and cheese. So that's the other thing I love to do, guys. I love to have recipes and dinners that my kids can pick apart depending on how picky they are, right? Or if you really want to, like my kids, you know, I've been doing Pampered Chef for 12 years, so that's all they know. But I like to engage my kids and say, hey, make your quesadilla, put in what you like, so that way I'll just look at you when you're at the dinner table, I'm like, hey, I like that, you know what I mean? You guys get it, right? Mom's talking to you, right? You know what I'm talking about. All right, so we got chicken in here. We're gonna put some cheese, and then of course later you can add some sour cream, some more salsa, and all that fun stuff. All right, we're gonna add some spinach for a little bit of color, a little bit of green, a little bit of veggies. You can have a salad on this on the side. If you had rice, you could have rice, right? So let me ask you this, I guess. Let's ask you, what would you put in a grilled quesadilla like that? What would be your go-to thing? Because there might be some ingredients that I'm not even thinking about. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of salsa in here. Get that in there, a little bit of moisture. You could add avocados, Greek yogurt, sour cream. I don't know if you guys know this, but you can substitute sour cream for Greek yogurt. If you mix it in, nobody's gonna know. I do it all the time. Don't tell my family. All right, so I've even gone, like I ran out of sour cream and I put Greek yogurt in the sour cream container and nobody said a thing. So hopefully my husband's not watching. All right, so of course, lots and lots of cheese. Okay, here we go. Can't have too much cheese. Whoa, maybe that's a little much. Here we go. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything else I can answer for you. All right, now we're gonna put another one on top. Gonna squish it down. But you can make your paninis in here. And remember, if you're new here, all of our appliances right now are $100 off. So now it says add, now we're gonna add and it's gonna count down to 5 minutes. We probably won't even need that long, okay? So they're $100 off. You can just go to link to my bio. You can send me a message and I'll send you the link as well. Some beans, yeah, Danita, I think we could definitely eat some beans on that. That's a good idea. What else? Guten Appetit. So ein geiles Gerät. Okay, Germany's in the house. I love that I have people from all over the world. My German and Italian people always watching, right? So we're gonna give this a couple minutes and then we're gonna make a couple more. I already have my salad ready to go, right? Like I said, always grate your own cheese. We use our salad choppers. We got our salsa. And then, see if I can find my pizza cutter so I can tell you about the pizza cutter too. Oh, found it. Okay, I actually just reorganized my kitchen so I could make room for all the Pampered Chef new fall products. So I actually know where everything is right now. We'll see how long it lasts. Baked beans or pork and beans. Yeah, you could do like a chicken and beans type of thing. You could do a barbecue chicken quesadilla. You could do, literally, you could do this with ham and cheese, right? It could be as simple as you wanted. You could do pizza sauce and pepperoni. The sun is like literally shining right here, so it's a little weird. But anyway, so we're gonna use our pizza cutter. And one of the things that is a little different with Pampered Chef's pizza cutter, it is a 4-inch wheel. Most pizza cutters are 2-inch wheels, okay? So it's a little bigger. And what that does too is if you have a casserole, if you have a lasagna you want to cut, right, it's a little deeper so you're able to cut other things besides pizza. And then this is the crust cutter. So as you get to the end, right, and you have like a wall from your baking pan, you can turn this around and cut through the harder crust as well. So pizza and crust cutter. All right, let's see. Any questions so far? Maybe some beans. Okay, it looks like beans are popular. The German Pampered Chef consultants are saying they hope that this Deluxe Grill and Griddle is going to come to Germany soon. I don't know. You better call your German Pampered Chef people, right? All right, look at these grill marks. All right, we're going to give it like just like 60 more seconds, and then we're going to get it out. Maybe not with the tongs. Maybe that might be a bad idea. Let me go get something else. All right, let me get our new, these are brand new. These are silicone tools, and what's really cool is that they're silicone on the outside, but they're actually metal on the inside. So they're really strong, right? But they're still silicone, so you can maneuver easily around things as well. So, all right, let's get these bad boys out. If you have any questions, ooh, that smells good. If you have any questions, comment below and I will answer them. And don't forget, every Friday too, I do a real like whole recipe demo type thing, okay? So we're gonna leave this here for a second. We're gonna cut these up. And the other thing that's really cool is it has this little like rest, so it makes it really easy to cut. And look at that, dinner is almost done. I'll probably make another round so everybody gets one little salad and dinner is served. We got our carbs, we got our veggies, and we got our protein. Mom went, hit your job. Okay, all right, cool. Look at that, check that out. That looks good. Put some sour cream on it, right? Fun stuff like that. So I'm gonna keep assembling here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great rest of your evening. And if you have any questions, comment below. All right, guys, bye.